Konnichiwa, Kuniko desu. Let's make Origami Star. There are two parts in this tutorial video. First one is cutting a square to a pentagon. And the second part is folding a pentagon into a star. So the first thing is first, fold the square sheet of paper in half to rectangle and grab the left corner from the top and fold to the bottom folded edge. And don't fold all the way, just pinch in the middle. And then from the left bottom corner, fold it up, this time to the top edges. And the same, not all the way, just pinch on the center. Now I see small X on the left side, and oops, let's make sure the orientation is right. I have opening side is on the bottom. And grab the folded edge right side bottom corner to right onto the small X point. And make the crease all the way. And fold the edge of the flap to the very outside edge, folding it in half. Now the bottom folded edge folded like a double door with the previous step's flap. And make the crease all the way. Now it's like a double door, and make the mountain fold on that. Like mountain fold is like a sticking out towards you. And all the edges supposed to match together. If they don't, something went wrong. So maybe you wanna go back to the square and start over. It's not too bad. And now this side has 3 lines, and this only has 1, 2, and a plane. The side that has more lines, that's the side you look at, and the lowest line you cut, which is the edge of the top flap. This is a piece you don't need. I'm going to throw it away. And this is a piece I want. Here, a pentagon. Now, let's fold this into a star. This has already have a nice creases. We are going to use that, and first shape it into a triangle like this, and focus on making the triangle on the 5 sides. It's hard to explain, but I hope you can see it. The mountain fold on all the triangle folded edge. And in between is a valley fold. Valley fold is like a V, dent. And if I'm going too fast, I'm sorry. Maybe you can just kind of rewind the video. But basically, you are reversing some of the creases to make it into the even shape to like a 5-point star by enforcing the very, very middle center. Open it up. I have color side up. And now flip. Please see these lines. Those are the valley fold. And white side up, let's make sure. And from the bottom horizontal edge, grab that and match the points corner right onto the black line. Unfold, and you will do this 5 times to all the edges. So I have 4 more to go. I did a clockwise turn, and now the line I'm looking at is different. Here's 2 lines right there. Grab the bottom horizontal edge and match the very point 2 bottom corners right onto the black line. Do that again. This is a 3rd side, and this time we were looking at these black lines right here. Grab the 2 bottom points and overlap with the line to match the points. 2 points, left and right, has to match. Here's the 4th. I did the clockwise turn, and again, so you are repeating the same procedure. And this is the last one. And then make a sharp crease all of it. And if you didn't fold sharp enough, let's do it over. As a result, you see a small pentagon in the center. You can see it from the crease. White side up, and grab the bottom edge and the edge next to it, and you are almost pinching the corner, and you will be using all the previous crease, pre-crease, and push it into, kind of squeezing it into the center to make this procedure flat, and it becomes a shape like that. And then you will do the same thing 4 more times to cover all the 5 points. So next, after you rotate clockwise, do the same thing. The bottom edge and the sides next to it, put together and make it flat. And please keep doing that. And this is a 3rd one from the bottom. Edge folded up towards you and press towards the center, and have the extra flap to the side. Clockwise turn. This is a 4th. 2 more to go. Exactly the same manner. And you have to kind of adjust a little bit as you go. And all the lines are matching. That's the way it's supposed to be. It's not perfect, but I'm going to try to do it as precise as I could be. And is this the last one? I think this is the last one. All right. So we got it all, 5 sides folded that way, and all the creases are done. Now we were collapsing to a very much of a star shape. Grab all the corners the way you did before and push all of them all at once towards the center, and press the extra flap to, this time is counterclockwise, This is the back side of the star. Flip the star. It looks like a turtle shell, but we are going to fold it into this star shape. Here's a center, very center point, and focus on that center point. Grab the corner, one corner of the pentagon to the center point. And here's a second one, second corner, folded towards the very center where the dot is, and fold all the way. There are layers folded into, so you have to press harder. Here's a third one. First, point to the center and fold to outer side. Next is the fourth, the same way you've been doing. Make sure you have a sharp crease. And the last one is a little tricky because the corner is hiding inside of the flap. Grab gently, little by little, and fold it into the center gradually, and it all happens inside. And when it's done, just make it flat, and then that's a star.